Hello everyone, my name is Abeba Getawa. I am a lecturer in Civil Technology faculty of FTVTI Institute. I have been teaching for 20 years. I am interested about sharing my knowledge and expertise in Civil Technology faculty with my students. I am excited to be part of this academic community and look forward to contributing for the growth and development of our future engineers and technologists. Now, I am going to present my course, which is called Building Construction 2. The course provides comprehensive overview of various aspects of building construction. The students will pass through practical skills related to building finishing work. The course has 7 chapters. The first chapter is Introduction. This chapter provides overview of building construction, fundamental concepts and principles, objective of the course, and importance of building construction. The next chapter is plastering. In this chapter, the student will learn about applying plastering work. This is practical skill. The student will conduct plastering work on different backgrounds practically, and they have to know about materials used for plastering work. And another consideration is surface preparation or background preparation. The background should be prepared before plastering is applied on the surface, so the student will learn about these background preparation procedures. And finally, techniques for applying plaster. Mechanical plastering and manual plastering can be used for plastering work, so they have to learn about these two plastering techniques. The third chapter is tiling work. The chapter focuses on floor tiles and wall tiles, selection of tiles for different surfaces, installation methods of different tiles, grouting and maintenance procedures of tiling works. And the fourth chapter is roof construction. In this construction, the students should know about design considerations of roof structural elements that are roof trusses and frames, because the roof constructed by students should be strong enough to carry loadings acting on it. The other thing is method of construction and materials used for roof construction is another point. The student should know about safety procedures because they should be able to protect themselves and other workers from accidents in the work site. Chapter 5 is stair construction. In this chapter, the student will learn about design concepts. In order to construct safe and functional staircase, they have to know about design concepts and also practical skills of stair construction. The sixth chapter is called pointing. This section covers different pointing techniques for different backgrounds, durability and aesthetic value of pointing work, repairing and maintaining masonry surfaces by using pointing works. The last chapter is painting and whitewashing. In this chapter, the student will learn about practical skills of painting and whitewashing for different backgrounds. And also they have to learn about selection of colors for different wall surfaces. In conclusion, I have covered the entire course outline in detail. I appreciate your attention. In our next session, we will start chapter 1, focusing about introduction of building works. Thank you for watching. Welcome back. Last time we have seen about the course outline. Now we will see the chapter 1, which is introduction. Finishing work is the concluding stage of construction. It involves tasks such as installing exterior and interior finishes, adding decorative elements, and ensuring the functionality and aesthetic of the space. The quality of the building depends upon the quality of its execution during finishing work. It focuses on adding finishing touches to the structure. Let's explore the main types of finishing work. The first one is plastering. Plastering is the process of creating flat and protective surface for the wall. It covers the basic masonry surfaces. It prepares the wall for next procedures such as pointing and painting. It enhances the durability of the surface. This video demonstrates the step-by-step process of plastering. Create reference point or dot to ensure the plastered surface remains true vertical. The surface should be free from any dirt, dust, and oil. The goal is to establish a strong bond between the surface and the mortar. The surface will be moisturized by using water. After preparation, the mortar can be spread over the prepared surface. It is called first coat. The thickness of the first coat should not be more than 15 mm. Remember, proper background preparation ensures successful plastering job. The second chapter is tiling. Tiling refers to the process of covering surfaces such as walls, tiles, and ceilings. It serves both for functional and aesthetic purpose. Tiles are made up of ceramic, percolene, or natural stones. For example, laying tiles for bathroom surface creates durable and easy to clean. That is for functional purpose. The other example is creating mosaic backsplash to the kitchen. It serves as aesthetic purpose. It is a sample video to show you the installation procedure of floor tiling. This is the mortar. Mortar is prepared from sand, cement, and water. It serves as a binding material between the floor tile and the surface. This is the leveling system. The leveling system is used to ensure perfect level between each tile. After installation of the tile, the excess mortar should be cleaned off from the tile surface before hardening. The third chapter is painting. Painting involves two main purposes. The first purpose is aesthetics. By applying the paint on the surface, we can make the surface visually appealing. The second purpose is protection against weathering. Paint serves as protective layer, shading surfaces from environmental factors like rain, wind, and sunlight. Okay, this video demonstrates the step-by-step procedures of preparation of surfaces for painting. These are materials for background preparation for painting that are water, paintbrush, sandpaper, cloth, and putty knife. The first procedure is identifying the problem that are cracks and dampness. After identifying the problem, The first procedure is a scrub of old paint and dirt by using different hand tools. Sand the surface in order to make clean and wipe the surface by using cloths. Open cracks and clean it all the dusts. Apply primer on the surface, such like this. Tips for crack seal. The first is don't apply on wet surface. Only for cracks up to 3 mm depth. Drying time is 6 up to 8 hours. Eliminate the source of dampness. Scrub of all paints. Treat with self-priming waterproof coating, such like this. Apply damp block. Tips for damp blocking. Don't apply on pop, putty, and paint surface. Apply at least 2 feet in all directions from affected area. Drying time is about 4 hours. Apply second coat of damp block and then apply primer. Primer is crucial for protection, adhesion, and better coverage. Use putty to smoothen the surface. Apply second coat of primer. And then dilute the paint with water. Dilution ratio is as per instructions on the package. During starting the paint, cut in the edges first. Apply first coat of paint. Wait until paint dries. Apply second coat of paint. Finally, your painting is done, such like this. Okay, the other chapter is pointing. Pointing is a method of repairing mortar joints to improve the appearance of stone or brick surfaces and to protect the wall from weathering actions. The joints on the surface of brick or stonework are filled with mortar evenly while the building is being constructed. This video demonstrates the method of pointing on brick surfaces. The first procedure is preparing the surface for pointing. The excess mortar is removed by using different hand tools. After that, wash the surface in order to remove dirt, dust, and different foreign materials on the surface. And then here the mortar can be prepared by using cement, sand, and another admixtures. For example, this one is iron oxide in order to provide red color for the mortar. After dry mixing, the water and different adhesives can be added on the mortar. After preparation of the mortar is filled into the brick joints by using trowel. After filling the brick joints by mortar, you can create different patterns. Here the horizontal line is created by using the string. The line should be true horizontal in order to provide good appearance. After that, by following that guidance, you can create such type of pattern. This pattern should be true horizontal. After finishing creating horizontal line, we can create also vertical lines. These vertical lines should be straight in alternative courses. Straight vertical line should be created on alternate courses, not on successive courses. After that, such type of surface is obtained. Before the pointing process is done, the surface looks like this. After the pointing is done, the surface is such like this. So the benefit of pointing is to provide aesthetic appearance of the surface and to provide durability or long life for the structure. Here we will see divisions of finishing. Finishings can be classified as wall finishing, floor finishing, ceiling finish, and roof finishes. As we have seen last time, wall finishes are also classified as exterior and interior walls. Exterior walls are exposed to external reactions, so they have to be strong enough to resist that reactions from the external environment. In the case of internal wall, they have no direct relation from the external agencies, but they have to emit noises, they have to provide acoustic balances, and also they have to be fire resistance. The function of walls are to separate spaces vertically, and some walls are also expected to carry loadings. The second type of finishing is floor finishing. Floor finishing aims to provide a level surface and capable of supporting occupants, furniture, equipment, and different loadings acting on it. Floor finishing can be made up of wood, tile, terrazzo, and different materials suitable for the floor. The other type of finishing is ceiling finish. Ceiling finishes include plasterboard, cove molding, steel glazing, ceiling tile, and spray plaster. Different materials used for ceilings such as wood, synthetic, slate, and natural slates. Here is the picture to show you how ceiling finishes looks like. And the fourth type of finishing is roof finishing. Roof finishes encompass materials like corrugated steel, wood shingles, concrete tiles, and clay tiles. This picture is to show you how some types of roof finishing looks like.